Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back to the Jag or the SS. What do we call this? It's SS. It's not a Jag yet. Subscribe, like, you know the drill. Watch what we're doing.
Yeah. I don't know how bright these lights are supposed to have been, but hey, we got them. We got them. Alternators charging. Yeah. Lots of fiddly shit to do. The amount of time that goes into this is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. But yeah. It is what it is. Soft top's got to be done now. I am so over this. Got to get the soft top done. And then drive it. So yeah. It does actually work. But somehow when I switch the switch on, let's see, it goes in, cool, on, and he comes out that far, and then we got to help it. Oh baby, there you go. Oh well. Okay, don't know how we're going to fix that, but anyway, that's pretty cool. I think pretty cool. Other side, let's see. There it went in. Now that side, let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's lazy. It's also lazy. Oh, what are we going to do? Hand signals, I reckon. But when it comes out, no, there's an issue here still. There's still an issue. Okay.
So what you doing now?
The terminal came off.
Okay.
We got lights, we got the alternator charging, we got everything together. It's looking really cool. We're just gonna
Everything works.
so far, but he's just got to do the back still. He's coming in just now.
Okay.
You see this thing here
Yeah.
is nicer. You see there's the other one there. The chrome was a bit shit.
Yeah.
And also we don't need the mixture control
No,
on here
we
anymore.
don't.
And we couldn't get the bloody wires through. The old or thicker wires.
Okay.
This one had new wires on it. No, that took us a couple of attempts.
And this block is on.
Yeah, but I think I'm going to still do some touch-ups there. I've got to do a touch-up over there. And bits and pieces. Check here, we've got the door nice now, both doors. Closing properly. That we had to open again because we've got an issue
Nice.
with these fucking indicators. There's not enough power there somehow. It goes only open halfway, which is a bit.
Yeah, on the other one I have to start the car to get it to get the generator to move it. Yeah.
When the battery's on now, you'll check. Put the lights on. So, and it doesn't even need the choke wired in, so I think we're going to bypass that. I've been fiddling with the carb. There was issues you'll see on the film, because the plungers would get stuck because the thing turns inside it. But just respect, that's all the parts that's left. We're almost there.
Well, you want lights, but lights are not so bright.
Yeah, that's what I need to talk to him about as well.
Start it up and see the indicators. Try that.
Just make sure it's in neutral, eh? Piano, we've made that bucky, so yours is next. Check how nice that thing came out.
I'll check just now.
What was that?
What's that now?
Must I connect this black wire?
No.
Choke.
It seems like those are
Hey.
Right there, no.
Are we running out of petrol again?
No, doesn't feel.
You again? I think we're running out of fuel again. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's go get some.
It's very, very close.
And the roof?
No, that's next week, Brew. I've got
week.
it. I've
Yeah,
got
that's
the
fair.
visitors here. And so these are the, what do we call these things that go onto there? Just busy straightening them and doing a panel beating job. It actually works quite well, eh?
Yeah.
Works very well. And then we're going to spray them grey and get the new E-type rubbers that go in there, which should be the same. So they're all a bit wonky. So that's cool. Getting the wipers on, the rubbers in the dash. Finished off the dashboard now. Looking pretty cool. And then got the wood, which is going to go in here. And there we go, there we go. How many times has this been off? Right, let me get into that. Because the piping's too thick on the corner and it's causing shit. Causing shit. Are you filming all of this?
Yeah.
No, don't do that yet, that looks horrible. I'll still fix that. Okay, so now I'm going to open this up here with a knife. Open up the piping. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
And the blade, of course, is not that sharp. The piping's going too far, so now I have to get it to come underneath here, and it's such a fiddly job. Piping, so that when it comes underneath here, it's not in the way, because otherwise the front's not going to seal properly. There, okay, a little bit more. A little bit more, she cried. A little bit more, be nice if I had an extra set of hands. Alright, almost. And again. And my back's fucked now. A little bit more. Yeah, I think that'll just about do it. A little bit more, a little bit more. No, that's fine. Okay, now we gotta cut that baby here. I'm gonna cut it off. What a flipping job this is. The side cutter's. Alright, now we can get this right so that it sits underneath here nicely. Okay, staple gun, bro. You can carry on just now. Thanks. Are you still filming? Right. That's better. That piping I've cut already. This I can cut. Stand by. Knife. This is a bit thick here. Don't want that. And then we have to pull this all nicely over here. On the corner. Yeah, staple gun. Mother. Okay, trim this off and that's it now. And then the rubber will cover all of this. Hopefully. Come on. I don't want to flipping staple that's wrong here.
I don't know what to say. Welcome back, everybody.